We've been engaged in these strikes since last week Tuesday, and now this is our 5th day on strike. So basically what happens is that ever since then we've been demanding about the strike increasements and other benefits. But ever since the company, the only response that they give us is that they stand firmly on the 3%. So we've been going in because at first, like last week from Wednesday, they were like they brought some employees from Marienthal, and then we used to go in there. And some we take them out, but as I can see now, they are no longer there. So basically, what's happened that now the company have been calling them to come to the table, but they are not willing to come to the table. So as we stand now, we are saying that the employees are saying that we are going to stay here for as long as until they call the union to the negotiation table. If not, it doesn't mean how long, even a month or 2 months. So until our demands are met. But on the other side, that we told the employees, the company, that if they are willing to come to the negotiation table, we will make some major compromises, maybe to drop out some demands and so on. But the main thing is that for as long as they are not willing to come into the negotiation table, we will also not go in there. Because as you can see now, everything inside is paralyzed. There's nothing there, there's nobody in there. The employees that are there, they are not doing anything because the whole workforce is there. Almost 95% of the workers are on strike. So what we are saying is that the company must just come to the negotiation table, otherwise then this thing can go on until the whole of this year. Whatever gonna lose, we know we are on a no work, no pay principle, but what we are demanding is what we want to deserve, what we deserve. So if not, we don't care. As long as no matter how the damage is gonna cost to us, we will stay put until everything is like they say, look guys, the page and so on, but if not, we won't go anywhere.